I'm with Ron here. He is an expert when it comes to vacuum cleaners and especially central vacuum cleaners because he's been doing it for a
Long,
very, very, very long time.
just long.
Just he's really old. Anyways, um, we have you covered when it comes to a good central vacuum cleaner, but what's with the whole package thing? I mean, what else do you need after a good unit?
I'm going to get back to you on your first comment.
That's fine. That's fine. We'll come back to
But
that.
after a good unit, what else you want in a central vacuum? A good hose and attachments. Believe it or not, this is the part that stays in the garage on the wall. You don't even see it. You don't even deal with it. This is what you use every day. This is what you deal with. So
Yes.
a central vacuum hose and attachments are very, very important for your convenience.
But I mean, isn't just a hose a hose? It's just a hose, right? I mean, what else do you want?
Well,
what do I mean, good or bad?
Well, because the hose is 30 feet, if it's heavy, if it doesn't swivel, if it doesn't have switch, it can be very awkward.
Heaviness, I understand. What's with the switches? Because old school hoses, and I still get people here that didn't have switches. What's the whole point of having a switch here?
The less expensive hoses or the older kind of hoses don't have switch, which means you insert the hose to the wall outlet, the central vacuum turns on. Why that is no good? Imagine you're vacuuming, there's a phone call. You have to go 30 feet back to the hose, unplug it in order to shut down the central vacuum and answer your phone, move a chair, or do something else. A good central vacuum cleaner has on-off switch on the hose handle, which means when you insert the hose, nothing happens till you turn the machine on, and you can turn it off if you want that. The other thing with a good hose, you need to have a hose that swivels. What happens? It doesn't. You have to untangle the hose.
Oh, I hate that. I hate that. The whole time you have to go through this whole thing. So, lightweight, crush-proof, switches. No, that's all there is to it. Now, what's a standard hose length?
30 feet.
Can you get it longer?
Yeah, 35 footers always available to order, but don't if you don't need to. You don't want the longer, heavier hose that kills more suction if you don't need to.
The longer the hose, the less
heavier
suction.
it is, less suction you get.
Thank you.